Welcome to Style Plus. In this video, I will show you how to download music from YouTube. If you want copyright-free music that does not require attribution, this is the best method to download music from YouTube in MP3 format. To do that, log into your YouTube account. After that, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select the option YouTube Studio. Here from the left side menu, click Audio Library. In this audio library, you have access to thousands of free-to-use songs for your YouTube videos. These songs can be used for monetized YouTube videos as well. You do not even need to give the credits, but it's appreciated. Just hover over this play icon to make sure that you don't need to credit the music. From here, you can test the music before you download it. You can also filter music, select genre, select mood. Test this song by clicking this play button. And if you like the song, you can click on the download button on the right hand side. This will download the music to your computer or device. You can use this music file freely in your YouTube videos. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.